All right, guys, welcome back to Beautiful Mind. Thank you to all my viewers and subscribers. If you're new here, I'm Roland Attenborough. I'm the leading GAN scientific and analytical researcher. Let's just dive right in today, guys. So this is going to try and get this packed in and not be so long, but I'm taking a break from my online courses that I'm populating. Today, we're going to be talking about the cycles that take place and reoccur. So I noticed that we were repeating these 25 and 26-day cycles here. And we're just going to go take a look at that really quickly here. That within these periods here, we were making a top here. And then, by of course, when the moon came around, 28th day, we finished off with that. And then the cycle resets, usually around 30 to 33 days. And then we have another move up. And this is another starting point. So let's go ahead and let's just take a look at the next one now. So I'm saying from this point in here, we were expecting a top 25 and 26 days, and that would be right in here. However, if we take it from our breakaway point, and this is where it gets really interesting. So we're at 25 and 26 days, and we've made our top. And then we again come back to our 30th day. The moon comes around, its cycle, and then we reset. All right. So in this 33rd day, we have another beginning. Well, let's go to this little beginning. From here, we looking again for 25 and 26 days. Oh, we only got 22 and 23 from that one. So I guess it's right back here. There's your 24 and your 25 days. So resetting on our 30th day here, there's your reoccurring circle or cycle. Okay. And then again, back down again to 30. Then somewhere around our 33 area, this one's 34, another bottom. Okay, well, typically 30 days we have a bottom. So let's go ahead and let's just take a look at this bottom here. And let's just see, we're going to count from this one and we're going to count from this one because it's kind of important that we see if we've overextended our cycle. So 25 and 26 would be right in here. And we've had a series of lower tops there. Let's kind of let's reach out a bit. Let's go to this one here and see what this one will say. Well, this one is saying that the 25 and 26-day cycle is going to end on January 12th. So keeping in mind, that's what that's saying, that it's January 12th. It's possible and likely we make it up to this area here and get rejected around this 52 area. I'm expecting that somewhere right in here, we're going to crash right into this ring. And I expect we're probably going to come back to this Fibonacci level here at this 38. It's possible and likely. So I wanted to warn you that we have an imminent top coming in. So I don't usually give a big surprise wake up, but we have reached all the areas where I'm satisfied with my market forecast that we would make it into this 40 area and cycle up, and we've just kind of touched right below 48. And as you guys know, on the square, I was talking to you about this many times that it's possible that we surpass our 45 and 46 and we make it to this 48, 49. And I said to you that, we could touch 52, 53 here. You know, we have a lot of sensational stuff happening. It could very well top out there, and then we flip back 180 degrees to 40, which would be this level right here. And looking at that level there from this area, say we made it up to the 52 mid area. A pullback to this area is our Fibonacci level at 23.6, and this would satisfy that level as well. So we could be in for a really, really big, and I'm warning around the 12th that we were going to have, or 13th, we're going to have a swing top and then a really fast move down. And I'm talking extremely violent. So I wanted to warn you. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about that. We were talking about this. This is my January ephemeris. I was calling for swing top on the 13th, and then we would have a violent move down, and that fast move down could start the 17th or the 19th, but I think around the 13th. As I showed you before, Saturn is back to its third degree, making a swing top. We were calling for these swing tops around here, the 6 up to the 13th here, and we're certainly going to see something like that take place because the price of Bitcoin is starting to move up. The reason I wanted to also alert you is Pluto, or Cthulhu, and you can look at the tunnel through the air, and if you go look at the page, I believe it's 248, you'll find the astrologer there. Anyways, when Bitcoin made a significant move up, I believe that was the top here, or sorry, that was the bottom back in I believe that was March, and then in April, Pluto made it to the 017 degree. Anyways, let's just really quickly go look at that because this is what I'm trying to talk to you about. So right here, right, Pluto, I said sell. I had it already written down here before it happened. That 017, we would have this sell top. And then when Bitcoin came around again, and we had another, it came back to the same place because it's going retrograde, right? So it came back to this area in the zodiac, and I said again, seller, and sure enough, we had some volatility happening around here. So I just wanted to show you that we've had some tops and bottoms when Pluto has made it to these degrees here. So I just wanted to show you guys this, and I believe there's I believe my swing top has been met for Saturn coming back for the third time and receiving quite a lot of market volatility. And it's possible and likely a major swing top and a violent move down is going to take place, and it's imminent. So I just wanted to warn you that keep your stops tight and buy a 2024 forecast for me, and you'll be a little bit ahead on what can happen there. And I've showed you these 25-day reoccurrences here, so I really just want you to be really careful about this. I mean, it's just because we've made it to our target of 48 here, doesn't mean we can't just flip back right now and fly all the way down to this 32 level. And let's go take a look at that again. It's no secret. I'm just gonna call this out, but this level here, if we look at this 32 level, I just got to make this a little bit out of the way, so this is going to disappear. Just one sec while we repopulate this. So somewhere around this 52 level, coming back to 32,000, would be a Fibonacci sequence of 38.2. And I just want to point this out. What is very noteworthy of pointing out with this tool is look at the center of the square. It's right here, guys. So if we don't bounce off this level here, it's Humpty Dumpty and it's right down to here. And if you buy my forecast, you might find out we might be doing that. So peace and love, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I just wanted you guys to get your stops positioned properly before we possibly experience some more volatility that I've been talking about here. So, yeah, that's what's up. You can purchase my forecast here, monthly forecast. Also, at the end of the month, I'll be populating stock index S&P 500 forecasts, gold and silver forecasts. If you want those kind of forecasts, hit me up. If you want a crypto asset forecast, it's 2,500 as well for the year. So I'm offering not just Bitcoin. I am offering stock index, S&P 500, and gold and silver and crypto assets alike. So if you like to know what's going to happen in the future, hit me up and I'll make you a forecast. Peace and love, guys. Safe trading, and we'll see you again. Peace and love.